To install a new license and cartridge into Foglight, copy the license and cartridge to your desktop and then log into the Foglight Management Console. Navigate to Administration, Setup, Manage Licenses. Click the Install button and then in the pop-up, click the Choose File button to browse and find the license file on your desktop. Then click the Install License button. Once the license has been loaded successfully, it will be listed in the bottom panel of the Managed Licenses page. To add the cartridge, select Administration, Cartridges, Cartridge Inventory. The Cartridge Inventory screen appears. Click the Install Cartridge button and then the Choose Files button. Load the .car file by browsing to the location where the .car file exists and then clicking on Install Cartridge. Leave the Enable On Install checkbox checked. Once the installation is completed on the Foglight Management Server, the new cartridge will appear in the list below as an installed cartridge.